Hi, I'm Dave.
And I'm Mary, and together we own Natural Plus Nursery in Clear Lake, Iowa.
We are your favorite backyard nursery, serving North Iowa since 1978. We sell trees, shrubs, and perennials and love sharing our seasonal family business with our kids and you.
Here you'll learn about the plants you buy from us, how to care for them, and never before told behind the scenes look at our lives as nursery owners. This is the dirt from Natural Plus. Here we grow. Welcome back to another episode of The Dirt from Natural Plus Nursery. Today, I want to talk about some of the new perennials that we are getting in here in 2026. And we're excited about these perennials. They are adding a few things to our selection that we have been missing before, some things that maybe you are looking for. So, without further ado, let's talk about the 2026 new perennials here at Natural Plus Nursery. One of the new ones that I'm really excited about is called the Little Spire Russian Sage. And if you love Russian sage, if you love the look of those really beautiful wispy purple flowers, but you do not have the room, like a typical Russian sage is going to get 3 to 4 foot high. This is called Little Spire. It is a dwarf variety, so it's going to give you a silvery foliage, lavender blue flowers, and it's really excellent for drought tolerance, which we have experienced here in North Iowa in the past couple years where it doesn't rain enough. And this is a plant that is going to be hardy and can get through that drought. Obviously, we recommend that you are watering through that drought, but this plant is going to stay more compact and tidy, and that's why we wanted to carry it, give you those purple blooms that you're looking for, but in a smaller version. So the Little Spire Russian Sage is one to check out here. Another plant a perennial that we're really excited about is the Artisan Soft Orange Coneflower, and this is already selling. This is already going out the door. I sold one just right before I pressed record on this podcast. So I would not wait if this is something you want to add to your yard. We love coneflowers. Coneflowers are a native plant to Iowa. And so, of course, we want you to plant as many coneflowers as possible. They're going to bloom in the late summer and they make a beautiful cut flower. And this one is going to be so beautiful. It's described as a warm sunset tone, the coloring of it. It's softer than your typical bright orange, and it's a great pairing with other colored coneflowers or other colored perennials. And so it's a great pollinator friendly, long blooming, and dependable. So plan on adding that one to your yard as well. Another variety or another perennial that we are carrying this year is two different types of yarrow. I don't believe that we had yarrow last year, but we've got the sky sail fire and the sky sail yellow. And the reason why I love yarrow is the foliage is really unique. It adds a soft kind of light texture to your garden or your landscape. It's a different kind of foliage than you see on other perennials. If you aren't familiar with yarrow, I highly suggest you come on out and take a look at the Sky Sail Fire, which brings a rich, warm red tone, or the Sky Sail Yellow, which the blooms then are going to be obviously a yellow color. Again, this is a drought tolerant, pollinator friendly, perfect for filling these smaller spaces in a sunny garden. And these yarrow are not going to become unruly or take over your garden. That's what we want. We don't want them to take over. We just want them to bloom and be beautiful and add texture and color to what we already have established. So a couple new perennials for you. As always, I suggest you come out to the nursery and enjoy the blooms yourself. We have a lot more variety, but that's just a couple of the new perennials here for 2026. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks for listening to The Dirt from Natural Plus Nursery. If you dug this episode, subscribe to our newsletter so you never miss a tip, sale, or a behind the scenes look at our nursery business. Happy planting!